Months passed, then years. One day, the same people who once laughed asked, "How did you do it? When did this happen?" They called it overnight success. Ayan didn't correct them. He simply smiled. Because some battles are too deep to explain. Silence is not weakness. It is focus. Discipline is not punishment. It is self-respect. And consistency. That's how ordinary people build extraordinary lives. If you're quiet right now, if you feel unseen, if you're fighting battles no one notices, keep going. Because sometimes, the most dangerous people in the room are the ones who say nothing at all. Everyone thinks success is the end of the struggle. They think once you make it, life becomes easy. But no one talks about what comes after. This is not the story of Ayan's rise. This is the story of what success took from him. After success, people stopped asking Ayan how he was. They assumed he was fine. After all, he had everything now. The same phone that never rang before was now full of messages. But somehow, he felt more alone than ever. Because when people stop worrying about you, they also stop seeing you. Success brought respect, but it also brought pressure. You can't fail now. People look up to you. Don't mess this up. Every decision felt heavier. Every mistake felt louder. Before, failure was expected. Now, it was forbidden. And that fear quietly followed him everywhere. But somehow, he felt more alone than ever. Because when people stop worrying about you, they also stop seeing you. Ayan missed the simple days, when progress was enough, when effort mattered more than results. Now, even victories felt rushed. There was always a next goal, a higher standard, a new comparison. Success didn't slow life down. It sped it up. Late at night, the silence returned. But this time, it felt different, not empty. Heavy. He realized something painful. Success doesn't cure self-doubt. It just gives it a new voice. And once again, Ayan faced himself alone. That's when Ayan understood. The same silence that built him must now protect him. He stopped chasing validation, stopped proving himself, stopped running. Success was never meant to replace peace. It was meant to support it. Success changes your life, but it doesn't heal your soul. That part, only honesty can fix. If you've achieved something but still feel empty, you're not broken. You're human. Because real success isn't being admired by everyone. It's being at peace when no one is watching. Don't let success take the silence that built you.